Welcome to America Reads Fun Learning Activities. We are college students who create learning activities for kids. Our fun activities are focused on reading, writing, and math. Thank you for joining us to learn today. My name is Mariah. In today's activity, we'll be learning about how to build new words. All you need for the activity today are some index cards, scissors, and 2 different color of either markers or colored pencils. Now would be a great time to pause the video and gather these supplies. Are you all ready? Great, let's get started. First, count out 6 index cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now I'm going to cut these in half, and you might want to get a parent to help you with this part. So now we have a pile of 12 squares of paper. I'm going to grab my blue marker, and on the top one I'm going to write the word and. So start with the letter A, then write the letter N and D. And you can just set that to the right hand side of your workplace. Next, we're going to get the other color of marker or colored pencil that we're using today, and we're going to write the letter S. On a new one, we're going to write the letter B. Next, we're going to write the letter L. And on the last one, we're going to write the letter H. Now, we're going to grab that first letter S that we made, and we are going to place it to the left side of and. What word did we just make? Sand is correct. Great job. Let's move on to the next one. Now we're going to remove the S and set it off to the side, and we're going to grab the B. What word do you see now? Band. Now let's set that one to the side as well, and we're going to grab the L. So put that L to the left side of the and note, and we just made land. All right, so now we're going to grab the H and set it in front of the and. Now we have hand. So we just made 4 different words by placing a new letter in front of the word and. Now I want to show you that we can also make new words by placing a letter at the end of an existing word. So we're going to grab that S and put it at the end, so to the right of and. And now what do we have? Hands. This means more than one hand, like the 2 hands we're using for this activity. Great job. Now let's clear our workplace. Okay, now we're going to grab our other blank stack of index cards, and we're going to count out 2 of them. And with my blue marker on the first one, I'm going to write the letter P. On the second one, I'm going to write the letter T. I'm going to set the T off to the right and the P over to the left and leave room in the middle. And we're going to see how we can make new words by putting a different letter in the middle. So now grab your other marker or colored pencil color. So I've got my green here, and I'm going to write the letter I. Next, let's write the letter E. Now, let's write the letter A. Then, we'll write the letter U. Great job. Now let's start with the letter U. We're going to place it in between the P and the T and see what word we get. We just made the word put. Great work. Now let's take the U away, and we're going to replace it with the A. Now what word do we have? Pat. Now let's remove the A and grab the E, and we'll place it in between the P and the T. Now we have the word pet. For the last one, we'll take away the E and we'll put that I in between the P and the T. Now we have the word pit. Great work. Today we made a bunch of new words by placing a letter in front of the word and, by placing a letter behind the word and by placing different letters in between the letters P and T. It's fun to make new words, and you can make so many words this way. Thank you for learning with us today. We hope you come back and learn some more. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will be back with more videos.